Actually, no, kakaluto lang yun, no? Go ahead, sir. Ikaw muna. I was thinking if I should omelette
Or fried.
Oh, okay, naman ko.
Feel it. Langaw yan, langaw.
Alangaw.
Slap it.
Boom. Mainit pa ba ito?
Yeah, I think so.
May microwave natin.
Gusto mo? That's a big egg, right? You put milk? Wow. Buksin mo na yan, Rio.
Bigay mo tingnan na.
Yeah, yeah.